Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video, I'll be simply giving you a short review based on the website review of Apollo Group TV. So let's start this and we will check on the Trustpilot website for Apollo Group TV reviews. In this website, as you can see, the reviews are 2.1 out of 5, and that is not much good for the users because there is a 1-star review over 60% of the customers. You can also read a review of this TV here in the review section of Trustpilot. So you simply have to open your Google Chrome and go to the Trustpilot website to get review for any website or any product. Now, in Apollo Group TV, you can read the review that is horrible experience by a customer. We can review out all the reviews under this. Let me just scroll to the down. The review was recent. So yeah, you can review all things here, you can read it, and then you can decide that whether you're buying a good TV or not. This is all about the review section of Apollo Group TV. You can also review any other application just inside of that. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more technical videos, reviews, and updates like this. Keep watching, keep loving.